All right, everyone, let's look at today's exit ticket. I am going to direct you to this handout, which is the one that we just completed together. These are the most important things to know going into this exit ticket. You need to know the key point of this book. You need to know 3 key details that support the key point. And then we went over how those details support the key point. So, you guys are so lucky because if you pay attention to this video, you're going to know the answers to the exit ticket because Miss Foster's basically giving them to you right now. Okay? So, the key point of this book is Ruby Bridges has made a difference in the world. That is the most important message that the author is wanting to share with you after reading this book. Ruby Bridges has made a difference in the world. There are key details, important pieces of information in the story that come straight from the text that we went over that support this key point. The first key detail, these are all on page 25 in the afterword. It's that Ruby Bridges helped to open her elementary school to children of all races. That helps us understand how Ruby made a difference as a child. The second key detail on page 25 is that Ruby Bridges created the educational foundation. Okay? And that supports the key point because it tells us how Ruby has made a difference, not as a child, but as an adult. And then the third key detail on page 25 is her exhibit at the Children's Museum in Indianapolis. Okay, how does it support the key point? It shows me how Ruby's story can inspire other children. So, when it asks you what the key point of the story is, are you going to say that it's her educational foundation? No. What are you going to say? Ruby Bridges has made a difference in the world, okay? Now, when it asks you for a key detail, are you going to say that a key detail is that Ruby Bridges has made a difference in the world? No, because that is the key point. That is not a key detail. These 3 things are the key detail, and I will post this picture for you to look at. Okay, so keep all of that in mind as you go ahead and do your best work on the exit ticket. I cannot tell you enough to be very careful and look super, super close at what the questions are asking you and be very careful before you pick an answer, okay? You are going to do awesome. I will see all of your hard work soon. Guys, Miss Foster's so silly. I wasn't ready for this video to be over because I wanted to go over with you the questions on the exit ticket so I can read them to you, okay? So, this is where you'll click this video that you're watching right now, so congrats for following those directions. Okay, read all the statements below. Which one is the key point of the text? Uh-oh. What did Miss Foster say it was? Is it that Ruby Bridges has made a difference in the world? Ruby Bridges has helped to open her elementary school to children of all races? Or is it that Ruby Bridges' work helped to open the Ruby Bridges Educational Foundation? Don't let it trick you. Okay, oops. Okay. Read all the statements below. Check all the statements that are key details. I repeat, not a key point, a key detail. Ruby Bridges has made a difference in the world? That sounds familiar, but was that a key point or a key detail? Think about that. Ruby Bridges helped to open her elementary school to children of all races. Ruby Bridges' work helped to open the Ruby Bridges Educational Foundation. Ruby Bridges' work is on display at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis. Okay, next question. Read all the details below. Which one is an example of how Ruby made a difference as a child? Not an adult. A child. A. Ruby Bridges helped to open her elementary school to children of all races. B. Ruby Bridges' work helped to open the Ruby Bridges Educational Foundation. Or C. Ruby Bridges' work on display at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis. Okay? You are so smart and you're going to do awesome. Good luck on your exit ticket.